Welcome to the SS Documentary channel. While there is no single formula to attract someone, exploring the science and psychology behind attraction can provide some interesting insights and perspectives. Healthy and genuine relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and honesty. Instead of seeking tricks or shortcuts, it is essential to focus on being a kind, confident, and authentic person. Here are some tips that can help you build healthy and positive relationships. 1. Be a good listener. People love to be heard and understood. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, ask thoughtful questions, and provide empathetic responses. 2. Use positive body language. Nonverbal cues such as eye contact, a smile, and an open posture can make you more approachable and likable. 3. Be confident and assertive. Confidence is attractive, but it's essential to balance it with humility and respect for others. 4. Show empathy. Try to understand others' perspectives, emotions, and experiences. Empathy can help you connect with others on a deeper level. 5. Be respectful and kind. Treat others the way you would like to be treated. Show appreciation, gratitude, and kindness towards others. 6. Find common interests. Shared interests and passions can help you bond with others and build meaningful relationships. Remember, building healthy and genuine relationships takes time, effort, and patience. There are no shortcuts or tricks that can replace authenticity, respect, and kindness. Exploring the science and psychology behind attraction can provide valuable insights into the dynamics of human relationships. By understanding the factors that contribute to attraction, we can make more informed and intentional choices in our own lives and build meaningful connections with others. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you found it informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on a variety of topics.